Alright, so there's a lot of questions on what to do when your cleaning light comes on. And you see it says clean, and then there's clean on the digital display. So I'm going to show you how to clean the Ninja coffee bar. And there's two. You can either use distilled white vinegar, or you can get a descaling solution and use that. We're going to use distilled white vinegar. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with an empty reservoir, and you're going to fill pour some white vinegar in there until you get to the travel mug line. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so there we've got the vinegar up to the travel mug, and then we're going to fill the rest of the way up with just regular water. Alright, don't overfill it, just get it to the max fill. There we go. Alright, so there we are. Let's close that. I'm going to take out my reusable washable filter for this. Just have the coffee cup in there. So then we are going to come down here and press the clean button. It flashes on and off, so we're going to press that. So now your coffee maker, you'll hear it starting up, getting warm. It's running the solution and stuff through, and there's also a countdown. So we're at an hour. You're going to have an hour. This is going to go through this cleaning process for an hour, and then you're going to have to flush it with some water. So we'll be back shortly. Alright, so we're about, we have about 36 minutes left on this, the clean cycle, 37 minutes. As you can see, not much has brewed through. So what has happened is pulled that vinegar in through the system and through the hoses and stuff. So it's just sitting in there descaling the system, setting through, and then it'll continue to run through. So that's what's happening so far. 37 minutes left. Alright, so we're nearing the end of the 1 hour cleaning cycle. As you can see, it's now pumping full of water and flushing. It's working on getting that through the system. So our countdown went away because we're done with the. It's been an hour. Then after this is done, then we're going to do a flush cycle, where we're just going to fill this up with water, just plain old water, and then run it through. Alright, so once it's done, it will say flush on here, and it beeps to let you know that it's completed the cleaning cycle. So now we need to pour this out, and you want to rinse and wash that out, and then they also recommend rinsing and washing that out. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so I washed this with soap and a brush and cleaned that, and then I took this off and washed it with soap and water and cleaned it real good. And then I filled it back up to the max fill line, because it did have vinegar in both of these, so you want to get them cleaned. So then we are sitting at the flush, and once you're ready, you've got this filled and this empty and sitting back underneath there. You want to hit the clean button one time, and there we go. It's going to start the flush step, which is it's just going to run this water through and clean out all the lines and everything that's inside. So there we go. This takes a lot less time. It's only like 8 to 10 minutes. So then once you're done with this, then the clean light should go off, and the clean down here at the bottom should go away, and you will be completely done cleaning your machine. Now I've heard a lot of people that have trouble with their machine. The clean light comes on every other couple weeks or whatever, but this, I've only had the clean light come on this one for maybe 2 to 3 times in a year and a half, 2 years, or however long I've had it. So it doesn't happen to everybody, but there's a lot of people that were complaining about the cleaning light coming on. So this is how you clean it if it does come on. Alright, so there is the beep. The cleaning light went off, and we're back to the clock. So we are done. So it just pretty much just brewed a pot of hot water just to run it through the system. So everything's clean, everything's good, and our light again is off. No longer says clean down here. So there you go. The second flushing step after you do the main hour cleaning cycle, you have to do the flush within 15 minutes of the first one completing, or otherwise it just resets and you have to start over. So you kind of have to babysit it or set an alarm or something to remind you that you were cleaning your Ninja. So there you go. Hope this helps you out. Subscribe, like, more videos are coming soon. We also have the new hot and cold system, so we're going to be doing some videos on it. So thanks for watching. Bye.